There's nothing worse than hungry kids, so having a meal that cooks up quickly is really crucial to family tea times. Today I've been invited by Mumsnet and Birdseye to put together a family meal using their frozen chicken range. We have been given the Birdseye chicken char grills to use to make a punchy pesto and roasted cherry tomato pasta dish. So we will need 4 of the original chicken char grills, about 10 to 12 cherry tomatoes, my kids have actually already eaten a couple of these fresh, a tin of sweet corn, also some pesto, you can use any pesto you want, some fusilli pasta, and then we've got some garden peas. Now these are cooked from frozen. They take 20 to 22 minutes to cook, so that's super quick. So I'm going to pop the tomatoes on with the chicken char grills, and then I'm going to pop them in the oven for about 20 minutes. It's about 300 grams of pasta, 100 grams of peas. Stir in the peas and sweet corn, 2 tablespoons of pesto, and you just need to mix this in now. I'm just going to grab some of the chicken and I'm just going to slice it up on this bit here. Place it on top of your pasta dishes, and there you have it. It's all ready to dish up for the kids. So we have just finished our meal. We really enjoyed it. The taste, it was amazing. Got a meal that we can cook within about 20 minutes after playgroups and things like that. Let me know any suggestions you have of cooking. I would really love to know some of your really go-to quick and easy meals. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.